How to make an account in COVERSTAR app. So just go to your profile tab in the bottom right, tap sign up, and then from here you can just create a profile, make videos, join challenges and more. So yeah, then you can just what you can do, you can just tap continue with Apple and then just sign up. So you're not signing in. If you don't have an account, you can just sign up. That for me the fastest way. Or you can just tap continue with Google and then just, for example, tap continue with Google, select an account you want to use, and then enter your username, and then just proceed with the instruction. Basically, you just need to enter your username, are you 13 years old or older, and then just tap join. So there you have it. That's how you make an account, and then you can just join the challenges. And yeah.